The line trimmer. Now it's a workhorse and I reckon often the unsung hero of a great looking garden. But what about this? We can now get the power of a petrol engine line trimmer without the nasty fumes and fuels to mix up and maintain. The 36-volt RYOBI brushless motor gives you all the power you're going to need with an extended battery life. Now it comes with the same specs as the petrol-driven machine, so that's a 40cm cutting path and a twin feed 2.4mm bump feed head. Now my favourite feature of this tool is the Arbeless quick reload head. Just 30 seconds to reload the head and you're straight back to work. It comes with high and low speeds and both have variable control. Now you want to dial up a high speed when you're slashing through the long grass, but then a lower speed when you want the tight control for finessing those edges. RYOBI's 36-volt battery has been specifically engineered for the outdoor range. Now on a 2.6 amp 36-volt battery, you're going to get about 40 minutes of runtime with it. That's enough to do a garden like this. If you're like me and like the look of a beautifully kept garden, but you're not that fussed on those fumes, well, a RYOBI 36-volt brushless line trimmer, it's going to be a breath of fresh air.
RYOBI, a cut above.